Getting noticed online isn't just about showing off. It's about engaging with your customers and actively attending to their concerns and questions. This builds connection and is a good foundation for trust.
Good day mga kanegosyo and welcome to Startup
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
Today we are talking about building your online presence, or in simpler terms, how to make sure that customers can actually find your business online.
Yes, and don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard or a marketing pro. To break it down step by step for you with real-life examples.
Why does being online matter?
Imagine this, you've just opened your dessert store. Your halo-halo or other products are amazing. The prices are great, but there is one problem. Not everybody knows your business exists, kaya kaunti lang ang kita.
May benta pero hindi ganun kalaki kasi most of your customers are people from your barangay. Now, here's the game changer. What if your store was listed on Google, had an Instagram page, or even a TikTok video showing your best-selling halo-halo? Kahit na mga hindi naman napapadaan sa barangay nyo, mahahanap ka online. They'll see your location, your offerings, and maybe even drool over those delicious halo-halo videos.
This is why every business needs an online presence, because the first place that customers look these days is the internet.
Where should you start?
Alright, let's say na-convince ka na that you need presence online. Now, where do you start?
Let's break it down into simple steps. Start by setting up your digital home. It can be a website or a social media page. Pwede kang gumawa ng basic website gamit lamang ang mga free platforms online.
If a website feels overwhelming, start with social media. A simple Instagram or Facebook page with your business name, contact details, and a few good photos works wonders. Gamit ka ng consistent colors and a clear logo to establish brand uniqueness and personality. Then pair it with engaging captions on posts. That's how you make a great first impression online.
How do people find you?
Okay, having a website and social media is great, but how do people actually find you when they search online?
This is where SEO comes in. It sounds technical, but let's make it super simple. For example, people search best coffee shop in the city. Google then looks for website and social media pages that match those words. Kaya if may coffee shop ka, make sure na those words are in your website, page bio, at kahit sa mga posts. This small detail can help people discover your business without paying for ads.
Engaging with customers.
Getting noticed online isn't just about showing off. It's about engaging with your customers and actively attending to their concerns and questions. This builds connection and is a good foundation for trust.
Kapag mas nakakausap nila ang seller, mas nararamdaman nila ang comfort to ask or clarify things, which is a good way to encourage them in purchasing your product or services.
Growing without a big budget.
Okay, now your startup has an online presence. But how do you grow it without spending tons of money? Here are 3 cost-effective strategies.
Una, pwede mong samantalahin ang social media trends. Mag-post ka ng Reels, TikTok videos, Instagram or Facebook stories to get discovered. Maraming content creators and businesses ang nakakakuha ng atensyon mula sa maraming tao without spending thousands on advertising. Creativity lang ang gamit.
Next, partner with influencers or other businesses. Carefully select people to collaborate with. Send them product samples in exchange of them creating or including your products in their content. In this way, you have a mutual benefit kasi they get to have a content to post and you get a little more known through their audience.
Last but definitely not least, encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Mag-focus ka on delivering high-quality products or services kasi happy customers will always want to share their good experience with others, leading to voluntary recommendations and free promotion.
Today, we covered why startups need an online presence, where to start, and be noticed online. Hopefully, marami kayo natutunan.
Tama! And before we say goodbye, remember to like, share, and follow our page for more kwentuhang pagnegosyo. We hope to see you next time. This has been Hannah.
And Brian, thank you for watching us here in Startup
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan. Bye!
Now, where do you start?
Sorry. Nag-blank ako. Wait lang.
Kasi!